Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Shimon Carmon, and I'm on behalf of a big organization called Bnei Baruch, Kabbalah La'am. I'm responsible for Asia and Africa, and just to tell you about this organization, it's a 25 years old organization, but it's exposed traditions of thousands of years of the wisdom of Kabbalah. And we try to expose it to anywhere people are interested to know what's the meaning of our connection and the meaning of life and reality. And I'm very happy to tell you that you're going to have a presentation by people who were qualified by this organization, Ariel, in Manila, and they will be able to show you about this wisdom, to tell you about this wisdom. You can ask any question, and it's going to be very, very interesting for all of you. So you can also see and learn about us. We have a lot of sites. You just print Kabbalah La'am or Bnei Baruch, and you will get a lot of information, because we have more than 2 million people who are exposed to this wisdom in many levels. And we have a lot of events and congresses all over the world. We have many groups all over the world. And I'm sure you will find big interest in it. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.